Teach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back again with another hair review video, and as you can see, baby, by the finished result, you will want to stay tuned for this because I promise you this will be your next style for the summer. So let's get into it. So Eayon Hair sent me over this cute package, and I must say, for the first time working with them, I am thoroughly pleased. So inside my package I got this pack of a crochet needle, edge brush, 2 section clips, and a rat tail comb, all pink of course, very cute, very girly. And I also got 5 packs of their miracle knots hair. Now this is the body wave texture in 18 inches. This is how it's looking outside of the packet. I don't know if you can tell by just how it looks on the video, but it is super soft, amazing quality, like so good. And of course, you know, it has those strings to give you that invisible look. So I decided to do the Cassie style. Like, you know how Cassie always like has one side of her hair cornrowed and then the other would have extensions or whatever. That's what I opted for, and this is the style that I went with. In love. It's already so cute, it's coming together so well. And then I went ahead and braided my hair.
Reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? Looking out.
The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a finance home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You want shots for the girl, damn, order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling?
Now that the braiding is out the way, we're going to start putting in the hair with our crochet needles. So I decided this time to go ahead and knot it, just because I wanted to ensure that the hair stays in, because I do intend to wear this for quite some time. So I pulled through the hair, I opened it, and then I just pull through the other end and create a loop onto my natural hair. And that's what I'm going to be doing all throughout my head.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see the way shrunk, my love. Hey.
In case you didn't quite catch that, let me slow it down. So you push through your crochet needle, you're gonna unlatch it, put your hair in there, close the latch, and then pull through the braid. Once some of it is through, you're going to open it, draw through the other end, and create a knot. And that's it. That's simply it. If you don't have as much hair as me, it won't take you as long. And honestly, today it didn't take me a long time to complete my full head and have this look. I did use all 5 packs of the hair, and so I got the desired look that I wanted. So now that we're done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my edges and all the works and then show you guys the finished look.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Cassie. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
And this is the finished look. I am absolutely obsessed, and the hair inches. It is also so soft, and I'm so happy I decided to go with this hairstyle because tea and the texture. I'm glad I didn't stick to my normal deep wave curly because I'm obsessed with this hair. It was so easy to work with, super soft, no shedding whatsoever, zero shedding. All I did was I went ahead and trimmed the ends a little because it was inconsistent with the layers. Of course, I don't know exactly where to place each crochet hair or each strand. Some of the hair was a bit longer than some, and I just trimmed the ends, but that's it. So cute. I am in love. Giving Cassie, giving Y2K, also giving a little mermaid vibe. Obsessed. And Eayon ate with the hair. Again, I cannot tell you how soft this is. I wish you guys could feel it through the screen, but I hope you're able to see how soft it is. So soft. So if you guys want to go ahead and try this hairstyle and you want to give this texture a try, you want to, see how it looks on you, you can go ahead and shop this type of miracle knot hair at the link in my description box below. It will be at the very top. 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's also, I feel like it camouflaged so well, you can't really tell where my plaits are or my braids are. Like, it's giving a sewing. It's giving I went and I got a sewing and I did, love. 5 stars, no notes. So yeah, if you guys liked this style, if you guys liked this video, go ahead and rate it down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like this video. But that's it for this week's hair review. Don't forget our discount code is more than likely in my description box for you, so you can save some dollars off on your purchase for your miracle knots hair. And I personally feel like this will be my summer favorite because it's so easy to do, it's so lightweight, not a lot of stress, and I can do it myself and save some money. So sound like all pros to me. So if you want to go ahead and purchase yours, don't hesitate. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.